All right, so in this video, I want to talk about active trader pricing. I get asked often, why are my commissions less with Questrade? So it's pretty simple. It's just that I signed up for active trader pricing. If you go to Questrade's website and you go to pricing, you've got self-directed investing pricing, and then you've got active trader pricing. So if you go to self-directed investing pricing, so the main reason I took active trader pricing is because of options. If you're going to be trading options with Questrade, I think in my opinion, it is a must to get active trader pricing. Otherwise, the commissions are too high. So this is the regular price for Questrade. For shares, if you're going to buy stocks, it's 1 cent per share, but it's a minimum of $5 and a maximum of $10. So you're going to spend between $5 and $10 to buy stocks. And for options, it's a flat fee of $9.95 or $10 plus $1 a contract. So if you're doing one contract, then it's $10 to open a trade plus one, so $11, and then another $11 to close the options trade. So that's $22 in and out. That's too much. So if I go to pricing, active trader pricing, so first thing you should know is that anyone has access to active trader pricing. You don't have to make a certain amount or a minimum amount of trades to get active trader pricing. Anyone can get it. You just have to pay for it. That's the problem. It's a package that costs $89 a month, and it comes with a data package, live streaming data. So you could use the US or the Canadian. I took the Canadian because I didn't care about the live streaming data. I just wanted the commission. I just wanted the lower commission rate. So I took the Canadian one so that I pay only 89 Canadian instead of paying 89 US. And that just gives me the commission structure, the low commission structure. And what's great about it is that $89 a month that you pay can actually be reimbursed to you. So there's a partial rebate and then there's a full rebate. So the full rebate, you'll get the $89 completely reimbursed to you if you actually spend more than $400 in commissions per month, which is very doable if you trade options, if you're an active options trader. And then you'll get, if you spend more than $49 a month on commissions, you'll get a $20 rebate. So how do you know if this is worth it? So just a quick calculation. So basically, or the main advantage of active trader pricing is the option price. It's $4.95 flat fee plus 75 cents a contract, instead of being $10 flat fee plus $1 a contract. And they actually have two choices in active trader pricing. You can take the fixed plan or the variable plan. So for me, because I'm an active options trader, I took the fixed plan because the option commission is cheaper, $4.95 instead of $6.95. But if you're an active stock trader, then variable might be best for you because you can pay 1 cent a share with a minimum of 1 cent instead of a minimum of $5 with the other regular commission structure. This is actually 1 cent per share, minimum of 1 cent, and a maximum of $6.95. For stock trading on the fixed side, it's a $4.95 flat fee regardless how many shares you buy or sell. But for options, this is what I wanted, so that's why I took fixed, $4.95 flat plus 75 cents a contract. So let's look at the difference. So if I were to do one contract, so one trade with the regular commission structure is 10 plus 1. But then the active trader pricing, I'm going to remove $4.95 and I'm going to remove 75 cents. So the difference per contract, per trade, between active trader pricing and the regular commission structure is $5.30. So now I have to decide how many trades do I have to make up for that $89 a month, assuming that I'm going to pay for it and I'm not going to get it reimbursed. Although at $48, you would get $20 reimbursed. So let's look at different scenarios. So $5.30 is the difference per trade. So 89, let's just round it to $90. So 90 divided by 5.3 is almost $17. If we round it up, that's 17 trades. Sorry, not $17, but 17 trades. So basically, you have to make 17 trades per month to make up for the $89 that you be paying just for the package, the monthly package of $89.95. So remember, if you sell an option then buy it back, that's 2 trades. So that already counts for 2 trades. So if you Now, if you've got active trader pricing, let's say you make 10 trades a month. So that's 4.95 and 75 cents. So that's $5.70. And you make 10 trades a month. That's already $57. So that puts you above the $48.95. So you would get a $20 rebate. So let's say you were, instead of paying $89, you're just paying $69. So let's say you're paying $70 a month instead of $90 a month. So now you have to compare $70 divided by 5.3, which is the difference per contract approximately. So now you only have to make 13 trades to make up for what you're paying per month for the commission structure. Now, of course, if you spend more than 400, then you don't have to worry about is it worth it paying for the $89.95 because you're going to get it completely reimbursed. But the other advantage of having active trader pricing is that you can combine trades and save on the flat fee. So, for example, if it's the same underlying, you could have one trade that includes a stock and let's say some other options, and you're only going to pay $5 once or $4.95 once, plus 75 cents for each leg. So you could have a trade that has, let's say, 4 different legs, but has 10 contracts. You're going to pay $4.95 once, but you're going to pay 75 cents per leg. So that $4.95 gets diluted by the number of legs or contracts. So you can save on commissions by combining trades as long as it's the same underlying. Now, just to make things simple, if you want to see how many trades you have to make to actually get the $89 reimbursed to you, so you'd have to spend $400 a month on commissions, and let's say every trade costs about $6. So that's about 66 trades. So in and out, that's 2 trades. But some trades cost more than others. If you're doing an options trade with 1 leg or 2 legs, if you're doing a naked call or a naked put, or if you're doing a put spread or a credit spread, or if you're doing an iron condor, that's 4 legs. If you're doing a covered call, that's stock plus an option. So that's actually just 1 leg. So I definitely think if you're an active options trader, you must get active trader pricing, because you don't want to make decisions based on how much commissions you'll be paying when you're trading options. You want to get in and out based on the option price and not on the commissions. So you want as much as possible for the commissions not to be a factor in your decision making. So just to make things simple, I would say if you're doing more than 15 options trade a month, then definitely active trader pricing is worth it. So it's charged once a month. The other great thing about it is that if you've got several accounts with Questrade, you don't need to pay $89 a month for every account. You pay this once and it covers all your accounts. So if you have 4 accounts, for example, let's say a margin account, TFSA, RSP, RESP, you just pay this once and it covers, you'll get the same commission structure across all your accounts. So to add active trader pricing to your account, it's pretty simple. Make sure you're under accounts and not under trade. Make sure you're under accounts. Then you go to account management, market data, and then you choose the package. So by choosing the data package, it comes with the commission structure. And as you can see, I chose the advanced Canadian streaming, and here and it shows me what it comes with. It comes with premium market data from the most liquid exchanges in Canada, as well as select US streaming data. So I still get some US data. Subscription includes automatic enrollment to the Questrade Advantage, our active trader program for everyone. And then on the second step, you could choose your pricing plan. Remember, they have fixed or variable. So if you want to use it for options, the fixed will be better. But if you want to use it for stocks, maybe variable will be better. And you get to choose when do you want to start. You could start the next billing cycle or the next business day. So if you choose the next billing cycle, the change will take effect at the start of the next billing period, which is generally the first day of a new month. And if you choose the next business day, then it'll take effect the next business day. So one thing to note here is that there is sales tax on it. So let's say you do spend for more than $400 a month on commissions, you'll get the $89 reimbursed to you, but you won't get the sales tax reimbursed to you. That'll stay in your account. You'll have to pay for it. So here's what it looks like. It's usually going to be charged in your TFSA. So you could see that I get a debit of $89.95 and then a debit of the taxes, but then I get a credit of $89.95. So I get reimbursed because I spend more than $400 a month on commission. So the monthly package gets reimbursed, but not the sales tax. So let me show you a covered call trade, what it looks like under active trader pricing, the commissions. So I've got shares and I've got one option. As you can see, I'm paying $5.74 in commission. So $4.95 plus 75 cents. Now I'm going to show you the same trade on an account that doesn't have active trader pricing. So you could see in this example, commission is $15.94. And the other example was only $5.75. So I'm actually paying $10 flat fee for the option, $1 per contract. So that's another $1. Plus I'm paying for the shares itself because I have shares and I have an option. So I'm actually paying 10 plus 5 plus 1. While with active trader pricing, I'll only be paying $5 flat to open the trade, and then it's 75 cents for the option leg. So that's another advantage to active trader pricing. All right, so if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Like always, if you can open an account with Questrade to trade on the stock market, use my referral link below to get $50 in free trades. Also, check out the other referral links below. If you enjoyed this video, click the like button, share with a friend, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.